Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to create the account for Planet Fitness workout. Now if you want to create the account for Planet Fitness workout and start working out on your home or on your surroundings without joining any gym, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to create the account on Planet Fitness workout, make sure that you have installed the app on a device. So if you have not installed, you need to simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you need to open the Planet Fitness workout app. So this is the landing page and it may take some time. So here you will see the option of explore the app, or click on the option of explore the app, and here you'll see various option now. To join the Planet Fitness today, you need to click on the option of join now, and you'll see the option of create an account. So click on the option of join now, which is highlighted on yellow. So from there you need to simply enter your first name, your last name, and the country or the residence where you're staying. So it is only available for Canada, Mexico, Puerto Rico, United States, and also select the country where you are from, and you need to click on the option of next. And by doing all of it, you need to simply follow the on-screen instruction given on this. So currently I'm not from any of the country included here, so I can't show you the full steps. So you need to follow the on-screen instruction given on the app, and you will be able to create the account very easily. So that's it. That's how you can create an account on Planet Fitness workout. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.